3. Hi everyone, today I'm testing stickers. So as you see, I have 2 packets. I have 1 packet and another packet. They all have the exact same stickers, but we buy 2 boxes, so let's open them. Today I'm opening the stickers. See, I have 2, 3. So we see here, Boo, pumpkin. Do we have a pot? Okay, so I have a cat, ghost cat that's holding a cat basket. I have a ghost cat that is holding a cat basket. And this is a trick or treat. Trick or treat. It's kind of, that's how you say trick-or-treat. Here's a pumpkin, a Halloween pumpkin that we have. It kind of looks like a Halloween pumpkin, but not like in real life because it's kind of dark. A cat, a black cat that has yellow eyes. We saw those at someone's house. It's kind of like one, but it's kind of different. It has a lot of fur, and it also does have black eyes. And it's kind of sparkly. 2 ghosts, and it says Boo. It's black surrounded, exclamation mark, B ghost, but they're for O's. But it's kind of for the decoration. We have a pot. It's purple inside, but it kind of looks like 3D. This is the witch's pot, and it kind of looks like 3D. And it is also shiny. Skeleton. And let's check. We done this. Only 2 more. So here is the skeleton that has a purple nose and a purple mouth, and circle eyes, and it also has some mumps. Here we have witches, a witch, 3 witches, and they have a black cat, orange hair, a belt on his hat, a green face, and purple surrounding. Time for a show. And he is stirring up a pot. There's a cat. And the pumpkins, he had she had pumpkins everywhere. Pumpkins everywhere. And skeletons. Then the cat went inside the pot, and and turned into a ghost cat. Turned into a ghost cat. Walked through everything. She fitted inside the skeleton head. Couldn't see where she's going. And the skeleton head bumps into a pumpkin. Then it came up. Walked through the pumpkins. The witch walked away. So she was going to put the pumpkin in, put it inside, and it turned into a skull. Skeleton head. Skeleton head stayed there. And then the cat came and walked through the skeleton head, but they got stuck again when they went through, bumping into pumpkin. Suddenly, she spinned the skeleton head, and then this separate skeleton head was on both sides and bumping, and didn't have a way to go through. And the cat was blocked. She was trying to get at the pumpkin skeleton heads. So the witch had another hat, and he broke the skeleton heads, and the ghost cat was passing through the pumpkin. She wanted to know if she could fit the pumpkin, but once she did, it didn't work, so she did it again. But once it worked, but it was all gooey. And there was pumpkin seeds and goo on his face. The end. Trick or treat. Trick or treat.